Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 34. Now we shall discuss in detail the 12 houses of a birth chart. Each of these houses has its own characteristic properties, which help in horoscope reading. In previous sessions, you have got in-depth knowledge about how a horoscope looks like, which are the 12 signs or rashis, the 7 planets, Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn, and the 2 shadow planets, Rahu and Ketu. The basic format of North Indian birth chart and the basic format of a South Indian birth chart, and what are the major differences between a North Indian birth chart and a South Indian birth chart. What is Lagna or ascendant, and what do we mean by ascendant lord or Lagnesh? How we address the 12 houses of a birth chart and why? That is, what is the logic behind assigning these names to the 12 houses? In this session, you will learn about the first house of a birth chart. First house, also known as Pratham Bhav in Hindi. First house or Pratham Bhav is popularly addressed as Lagna or ascendant. It is also referred as Tanu Bhav. First house or ascendant holds a very significant position in a birth chart. It is the starting point of a birth chart. First house of a horoscope helps to know about the physical body, about the appearance of the person, complexion, outer personality, head, hair. You can know a lot by observing the first house or Lagna. First house also helps to know about the character, mental ability, health, confidence level, stamina, social status of the person. The first house helps you to know about the inner and outer personality of a person. We have already discussed in detail in session 19 that Lagna or ascendant of a person depends on the date, time and place of birth. As there are 12 rashis, so Lagna could be any one of these. If we have signs 1, 5 or 9 in the first house, that is Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, are known as Agni Tattva rashis or fire signs. If the Lagna of the person is Aries or Leo or Sagittarius, then you will find one of these signs in the first house of the horoscope. The person with Agni Rashi as Lagna enjoys good health, has strong resistance, strong body resistance. Person is very energetic, does not fall ill frequently. You will be strong, courageous, very confident, self-dependent and possesses leadership skills. Signs 2, 6 or 10 in the first house. These are the Prithvi Rashis or earth signs. In this case, Lagna will be Taurus or Virgo or Capricorn. The person enjoys good health, though the body resistance is low. Person is little bit lazy, slow but systematic, very practical, cautious, very exhibits very high level of patience, has good concentration and scientific and logical thinking. If you find the signs 3 or 7 or 11 in the first house, these are the Vayu Rashis or air signs. In this case, Lagna will be Gemini or Libra or Aquarius. The person has a happy, jolly nature, gentle behavior. He or she is very helpful, intelligent, does not like to do physical labor. Person is very imaginative. Since the person possesses characteristics of air, so he cannot remain focused on a single goal for a long time. The person collects information from different sources and uses it for his own benefit or to help others. Signs 4, 8 or 12 in the first house. These are the Jal Rashis or water signs. In this case, the Lagna will be Cancer or Scorpio or Pisces. These persons have low body resistance. They generally fall ill with season change. They do not like to do much physical work. They are very calculative, imaginative, sentimental. Like water, they are calm at the surface. To know more about the first house, please watch Vedic Astrology classes, session 35.